Hi, today I'm for the new REALME GT Neo 3T and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first, just open the settings application and then scroll and tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see ringtone volume panel, and just unmute ringtone you should hold and slide to the right side this dot. Also, we get one more way how we can do that. Just scroll down, click to advanced settings and tap the volume button function and switch switch media volume to the ringtone one. After that, just let's go back. Press to the up volume button, and now just by pressing the up volume button we can also unmute ringtone volume. And just we can make it by the third way. Press up or down volume button and then slide to the up this volume panel with your finger, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.